Kalkanhon jong Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC bat Kashirumani Gurutwara Parbandhak Committee SGPC Iakynduh Chief Secretary Kajila bat DP Waklang haka arpesan terik nailur banyakren halor kajipun kynriah iklais paksa po artelik longiing na po Them Iew Mawlong. Haka ni Iakynduh Chief Secretary na kalyang kakinhun ki Harijan Panchayat Committee kilapun pau ya kajingkermen basyan en penbait no ya karajong kasorkar ban pen kynriah longiing na Them Iew Mawlong. Habakren siya kinong tok kubor, nongialam ke SGPC ujak mohon sing ulaong. Kajingalang kalalong kabaseso, bat ngikermen bakajing jong kinong syong kapanja-bilin, an sala ban penbait no kamkloy. Ulaong baka ni kamat kalong kabasngokya, na marbay kijay ben riusik, kilawan arspas na mansywa na Punjab siya Meghalaya, bat ke SGPC kalawan ban penpaw ya kajingatali, bat amsyam la penpawlod ya ka kabalaya keren ha kajingalang. Dangshen na kadyang usimbut Menteri Rangba ubadaypit yak Urban Affairs uba nga bhalanghar ula kren syai bayakan ni kakam anpait da Chief Secretary kajela bat penpay yak kaipat baka sorkar kanshim yak arai ka bakhatdu.
किसी का डेलीगेशन पहुंचा है यहाँ पे अमृतसर से आए पंजाब से तो अभी मिले हैं और वो जो हमने बात रखा है वो गवर्नमेंट के साथ में रखेंगे और उसके बाद में फिर जो चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब बताएंगे हम फिर दोबारा मीटिंग होगी.
It's a part of an ongoing discussion which is going on, and the SGPC leadership comprising of the General Secretary Sir Rajinder Singh Mehta, the Bhagwan Singh Syalka and Gurinder Singh, and myself, I am just an activist, Jagmohan Singh. We have presented our viewpoint, and it is still in infancy as to what is going to happen. So we are not in a position to share anything with the media at this stage. We are only saying that it's a very constructive meeting that we had, and we are very hopeful that this problem of the residents of Punjabi Lane will be solved sooner than later. It concerns us because these Sikhs have come 200 years ago from Punjab. Their homeland is Punjab. Their relatives, their families, their lands are in Punjab. So if a Sikh anywhere in the world is hurt in any manner, it hurts us. And it is to express our hurt that we come and express solidarity with them. We are not here to create any trouble. We are here to help the government to resolve the problem in an amicable and proper manner. It's not fully satisfactory. Therefore, we are raising some concerns, which is under discussion, and I'm sure that we will be able to iron out a good solution.
I'm extended person. We are coming from Sri Iakynduh, the highest temporal seat of Sikhs, and every issue may be arise in any part of world, then Iakynduh can intervene.
Subsequent to that, the Deputy Chief Minister has already said that the matter is now to be dealt with by the Chief Secretary, and that is why we have met the Chief Secretary now. So we will wait for an invitation from the government.
देखिए सारे हमारी साहब की हम्बल कोशिश है कि जो इश्यूज हमारे लोकल कम्युनिटी के हैं वो इश्यू को प्रॉपरली सरकार सुने, उसके लिए जो एमिकेबली सोल्यूशन है वो निकाला जाए ताकि ना सरकार हरास हो ना हमारी कम्युनिटी हरास हो. उन्होंने इंश्योर किया, बहुत बढ़िया मीटिंग हमारी हुई है. उन्होंने कहा कि मैं डिस्कस करता हूँ डिप्टी सीएम साहब से और सीएम साहब से, आगे का क्या होगा वो बताएंगे, जैसे होगा फिर आगे मूव किया जाएगा.